So hey guys, welcome to USA Curiosity Hub, where every video reveals something incredible about America that most people have never heard before. So hit the subscribe button and let's crack uncover today's mystery. Why America become the world's superpower? What if I told you that just 250 years ago, the United States didn't even exist yet? Today it has the world's largest economy, the most powerful military, and some of the biggest companies on earth. So, how did a young nation become the world's biggest superpower? The answer is not just money, and it's definitely not just weapon. The real story is far more surprising. America was not lucky, but luck was not enough. Many people think America became powerful because it was simply lucky. Yes, America was blessed with hug forest, fertile farmland, and rivers, oil, natural gas, and valuable minerals. But here the twist. Countries like Russia, Brazil, and Canada also have enormous natural resources. So why did not the dominate the world in the same way? Because resources alone don't create a superpower. How a country uses those resources is what changed history. Millions risked everything to reach America. Imagine leaving your family, crossing an ocean without knowing if you survive. That's exactly what millions of immigrants did during the 1800 and 19 yearly. They come searching for freedom, opportunity, and a better life. Among them were engineers, scientists, business owners, factory workers, and dreamers. Together, they helped railroad factories, cities, and entire industries. Without this massive wave of immigration, America's rise would have looked very different. But then something happened that changed the entire world forever. The Industrial Revolution. Factories started producing goods faster than ever before. Railroads connected thousands of kilometers across the country. Transport became cheaper, business expanded, cities grew rapidly. Suddenly, America was not just producing enough for itself, it was producing for the world. Steel, machines, cars, electricity. Everything was moving at incredible speed. And then come a company that completely changed modern manufacturing. Ford. Instead of building one car at a time, Ford introduced assembly lines. This made for multiple cheaper. Millions of ordinary families called finally. The American economy exploded, but the biggest turning point was still waiting because soon the world would enter two devastating wars. Why America became the world superpower? The two world wars that changed everything. Then come the moment that changed history forever. The First World War and later the Second World War. While Europe was suffering massive destruction, most American factories remained safe and continued producing weapon, vehicle, and supplies on an enormous scale. As other countries struggled to rebuild, America's economy grew stronger than ever. By the end of World War II, the United States was not just another powerful country. It had become the world's leading economic force. But that was not enough. America wanted to stay ahead. The racer for innovation. Instead of slowing down, America invests billions of dollars into science education and research. Universities become of the best in the world. Scientists made groundbreaking discoveries. Then come the space race. In 1969, America successfully landed humans on the moon. That achievement what knows about space. It proved to the world what technology and innovation could accomplish. Soon after, the computer revolution began, the internet, then smartphones. Many of the companies that shaped modern life were born in the United States, and that changed everything once again. Companies that conquered the world. Think about the app you use every day, the phone in your pocket, the movies you watch, the websites you visit. Many of them were created by American companies. These companies did not just earn billions of dollars, they spread American technology and influence across the globe. The world became more connected, and America became even powerful. But there was another hidden reason behind its global dynamic: the power of US dollar. Imagine if you almost every country wanted to use your country currency. That's exactly what happened with the US dollar. Today, a hub for share international trade is conducted in dollars. Many central banks also keep dollar reserve. This strengthened America's position in the global financial system.
It became easier of businesses to trade, investor to invest, and the company to continue growing. The world's strongest military. Economic power alone is not enough. America also built one of the world's most advanced military force. It developed powerful technology, built global partnerships, and maintained a presence in many regions around the world. This increased its influence in international affairs. Final conclusion. So, did America become a superpower because of luck? Not exactly. Natural resources helped, immigration helped, industries helped. World events create opportunities, technology changed the future, and innovation kept America moving forward. No single reason made America the world's superpower. It was the combination of all these factors over many generations. And here's the biggest question: can another country become the next global superpower?
Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more fantastic stories from around the world. Thanks for watching.